Three, two, one.
Hey there, my friend. Jason Jordan here. Welcome back. This will be day 2 in this series. If you haven't watched the video right before this, go ahead and go back and do that so that you kind of have that, just the overall introduction, okay? And if you have not joined yet, my link is in there to join us over at SHG. We look forward to working with you. Also, please, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring the bell so that you know whenever these new videos in the series are coming out, so you can stay up to date and get all this training, and we can walk you through this full series. Okay. So today, what I wanted to do was I want to just run through, what do you get? Okay. So a lot of these business systems out there, you will come in and you get signed up, and then they just kind of leave you to your own devices, right? You got to go and you got to buy a funnel builder. You got to set up an email autoresponder. You got to write all your emails, and you got to do all your follow-ups. So you've got to go purchase all these other systems. You've got to get a funnel builder, and you've got to get email autoresponder, and you've got to get all these other things that cost extra money to do. Okay. But not with this system. This is the good part about this system, is that we have done all of this for you. It's all just sitting there ready to go. Literally everything is done. And we did this because we want you to succeed. Okay. We all want to succeed. We want you to succeed. We want you to come in and be able to immediately jump in, start promoting your business, and get those wins. So what does that mean for you as far as what you're getting? I'm going to go through that right now. So the first thing, once you come in and sign up, you are going to get an email that tells you where to go from there. Okay. Once you go in, you're going to get full access to this right here, free, done for you, full system. I mean, it's done. And a lot of people don't believe that, and they don't think that's true. That's absolutely true. So I'm telling you right now, it's a free, done for you system. It's ready to go. All your funnels are done. They're done and ready to go. And we have 6 set up and ready to go. Okay. So if you go in, you pick which one you want to use. So I'm just going to add that note here. And that's the one you use. If you want to change later, then you can change that later. Change your link out, your capture page. So that's all free. Now, usually if you're going to go through a builder, say whether it be ClickFunnels or HBA or whatever it's going to be, you have to go in, you have to get it all figured out. You have to take more training on how to build those capture pages, how to build those funnels. With this, you don't have to do that. It's already done. So we're just going to give it to you, no extra charge, just give it to you to use. Okay. So that is awesome. The next thing is the free, done for you email follow-ups. And what this is exactly that. So you go out, you promote, you get people to your capture page. Okay. And then our team and the leads have set it up so they're going to do all of the follow-ups for you. So you don't have to go out there and get an autoresponder. You don't have to worry about writing emails. You don't have to worry about, did I set that up right? Did I push send? Are these emails working? Because the experts are writing these emails and they've got it all set up and it's working for you immediately as soon as you come in. So one less thing you have to worry about, right? All the training is done for you. So let's say you go out there and you run your promotions and run your ads, you start getting people in. Now you don't have to train them either because the training is done for you. All right. So we have training on YouTube right here. We have training for ads on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Craigslist, traffic, So how to get paid traffic, where to get paid traffic, the best paid traffic, things like that will all be in here. And we train not only you'd go through the same thing that I did, but also the people that you bring in will also go through all of this, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay. And a lot of these programs, so the next thing here is one set price to join. So a lot of these systems, a lot of these programs, they're going to get you in there, and then it's going to be upsell after upsell after upsell. So you may come in for one price, and then immediately they're going to hit you with another $500 or $1,000 or whatever the case is to get that upsell. And with this, there are no upsells. It's one price all the time. You get exactly what you pay for. And that's the way it's going to be. There's absolutely no upsells, and it's one price. So, okay. So right here, no upsells ever. And then the next thing we do have is a highly engaged community with a massive support team. Okay. So we've got groups in Facebook that we have meetings, and I'll actually show you that. Let me jump into that Facebook. Well, here, let me get rid of this. I'm going to show you our funnel team site. So if we talk about the training, right? Okay. So I'm going to get logged in here. So this whole site is free. This is our training site. This is for our members only. So whether you come in at, it'd be a gold, a platinum, or titanium, you get this training site. It's going to walk you through every single thing that you need to do. In this series, I'm going to walk through every step day by day so that you can see inside each one of these, and I can explain what to do inside there so that you know as soon as you get in what to do on each step, and you can see how easy this is to get in here, get signed up, and start promoting, because that's it. Your business setup is that easy, where it's going to take you 10 or 15 minutes, and you're going to be set up and you're going to be going. Okay. You're going to be ready. So this is that site. Okay. Look at all this stuff. Now, I'm already in the Facebook group. Let's see if it'll just take me to it. Okay. So right here, you're going to get access to join our free Facebook group. Okay. This is for our members only. And then we have live meetings every Monday, Tuesday. We have a Zoom call at 8 o'clock at night, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. My time, it's 7 o'clock. I'm Central Standard. Okay. And then Fridays, every Friday, we have a Facebook Live. Now, these meetings are very good. They are trainings. And if you have questions, we answer questions. And then, of course, we're all in here all the time. We get notifications on everything. So if you have a question or don't know how to do something or need some assistance, you can come in here, you can ask it. And we've got a huge support team in here that will answer that for you. Okay. 818 members right now is what is in this site. And these people are all doing the same thing, and they're all working off the same program. So they've already ran into some of the issues, and we've got them answered, and they're back and going. So this is all free. Okay. There's no charge for any of this stuff. All right. And so let me take you inside the dashboard. Now this is inside my commissions. So you can see these are, they just keep coming in all the time. And the more you grow under you, the more sales that you make and more people that you help. Okay. Because you're not being a salesman. We're helping people. And that's absolutely what we want the rest of these people to do, is help people save money, because the savings are amazing that you can get. The perk is now you can make money too off helping people save money. So you can see here, a lot of these commissions are small, but these add up. Okay. So in a very short time, in a very short time. I think I've got maybe about $700 in this account right now. So what could you do with an extra $700 a month? Okay, now figure you're going to grow that. So let's say you grow that to another $1,000. Now you grow it to $1,000 a week. Okay, what could you do with $4,000 a month extra? What would that do for you? Now you don't stop there. You keep going, you keep growing. And all these people under you, they're growing too because they're out helping people. So now maybe you're up to $2,000 a week. Now, is that life-changing? Yeah, I think it is. It is for me. It is for a lot of people out there. This would absolutely be life-changing because I know that people are out there and they're working minimum wage jobs and they hate their jobs. Well, this is something you can enjoy. You can help people and you get all the help and assistance that you need for free. So this really is a kind of a no-brainer situation here. It's an awesome program. It's an awesome system. The people are amazing. And you cannot argue on the amount of things you get for free that we just give you as soon as you come in. Okay. And then the savings on top of that. I mean, this is a win-win-win situation. There's no losing. It's all win. So whenever you come in, you're going to come in at the level that you value yourself and your business at. If that's low, then a $20 gold, maybe that's for you. If you value yourself and your business at the highest level, that's going to be a titanium. And you do get a lot more perks with that titanium membership. So actually, let me look here, and I didn't have that prepared for you right here. Okay. So we'll come all the way down here and I'll just show you kind of what each one has inside. And then tomorrow we're going to start right into the funnel training. So I'll show you all of that. So right here, okay. So if you come in $20 gold, this is the lowest package. You get travel and discount portal, so you still get all the savings. The travel engine, so you get that. Now, if you step it up to platinum, which is better, it's kind of middle of the road. Still get the savings portal, travel discount, you get the legal plan, global travel assistance, platinum marketing system, which is inside SHG, and then some other SHG opportunities and some like meetings and VIP meetings and events and things like that that you have access to. Now, if you're going to come in and value yourself at the highest value and you want to make more commissions and higher commissions, then this is your one, and this has been the more popular one because of everything that you actually do get with this. Okay. So you get everything in these two. Then you get the titanium benefit suite, which is awesome. I've talked to them several times. They send you little cards. They send you a little book to let you know they've already done the work of where it accepts this for your area. Very cool. And then you get access to so many things. So 24/7 teledoc for free, roadside assistance for free. You get discounts on your like medical insurance and prescriptions, discounts on dental, discounts on your eye insurance, huge discounts on homeowners insurance and vehicle insurance. I saved $4,000 for the year. It's amazing. I keep saying it on all my videos, but it's amazing that you can do that with this program, and then they're paying me on top of that. So, to me, I just don't think you can go wrong, and I don't know why that I didn't do this sooner, honestly. So Anyways, guys, I'm going to wrap this one up for today. Join me on the next video. It'll be number 3. I'm going to do this series number 3. And number 3, we're going to dive right into the funnel site training. And I'm going to go with you day by day and show you exactly what needs to be done in each one so that you can get started right away and you can start building your business. Okay. This company is going to be around for a lot of years to come. It's already been around for a lot of years before. So, subscribe, follow my series, check it out day by day, join with my link below this video, and we'll see you on the next video. Later, guys.